अगर आप एक फीमेल हैं या फिर आपकी मदर, आपकी सिस्टर, आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड, व्हाटएवर, जिनके लिए भी आप केयर करते हैं या जिनसे आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, देन प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड, बिकॉज ये वीडियो सबके लिए एक आई ओपनर होने वाला है। क्या आप लोगों को ये चीज पता है कि हर 7 मिनट में एक वुमेन की जान जा रही है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सर्वाइकल कैंसर? नॉट बिकॉज इट कांट बी क्योर्ड, बट बिकॉज इट डिटेक्टेड टू लेट। Hello everyone, this is new video on this channel, and in this particular video I want to explain everything about cervical cancer, from what it is to how to cure it. Let's start this video. Let us understand what cervical cancer actually is. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus, the narrow passage that connects the uterus to the vagina. Cervical cancer occurs when the cells of the cervix begin to grow abnormally and uncontrollably, results in forming a tumor there. And as you all know that these cancerous cells can spread in other parts of the body if not detected on time. Okay, so if you are wondering that what causes it, so let me tell you, the primary cause of this cervical cancer is a virus, the human papillomavirus or HPV. It is one of the most common sexually transmitted infection in the world. Almost 80% of sexually active women get infected with HPV at least once in their lifetime. But in most of the cases, a body अपने आप naturally इस चीज को clear कर देती है. However, the infection persists, then it can damage your cervix cell and causes cancer over time. Other risk factors include early sexual activity, multiple pregnancies, smoking, long-term use of birth control pills, and a weak immune system. जैसा कि हमने वीडियो की शुरुआत में बात करी थी कि इससे क्योर होना इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बल्कि लोगों को इस चीज के बारे में जानकारी नहीं है, इस वजह से दे आर लूजिंग देयर लाइफ। ऑल्सो सर्वाइकल कैंसर एक ऐसा टाइप है जहाँ पे सिम्टम्स हमें बहुत रेयरली और बहुत लेट जाकर दिखाई देने लगते हैं, विच इज वाई इट इज ऑफन कॉल्ड एज साइलेंट किलर. By the time the symptoms appear, cancer may already reach to its advanced stage. So from this video, I really want to share some symptoms which really want to undertaken by women especially. So these are some symptoms जिनसे आपको alert रहने की जरूरत है. First of all, abnormal vaginal bleeding, especially after intercourse or between periods. Second, foul smelling or watery vaginal discharge. Third, pain in the lower abdomen or during intercourse. Fourth, pelvic pain or backache. Fifth, fatigue and unexplained weight loss. If you experience any one of these symptoms, please do not wait for anyone and get a routine checkup to your gynecologist. इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है कि आप हर महीने या हर 3 महीने में gynecologist से चेकअप कराते हैं और these are all myths. Early checkups can really save thousands of lives. According to World Health Organization, cervical cancer is the 4th most common cancer in women worldwide. In India alone, around 1.25 lakh women are diagnosed every year. And sadly, more than 70,000 of women lose their life. But you know what? सबसे ज़्यादा heartbreaking part ये है कि ये कैंसर completely preventable है. So आप कैसे अपने आप को और अपने आसपास सारी वुमेन्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो? सबसे पहला और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है that you get a HPV vaccination as soon as possible. Ideally 9 से 14 साल के एज ग्रुप वाली लड़कियों को ये वैक्सीनेशन लगवा लेना चाहिए. But even adults up to 45 years can get this vaccination after consulting doctor. According to the reports, it can prevent up to 90% cervical cancer if it is given at the right time. Number 2, a suggestion is that you take a regular screening through HPV DNA test can detect precancerous changes early before they become dangerous. Last but not the least, अगर एक safe lifestyle adapt करी जाए by each and every person, so हर एक disease को अपन prevent कर सकते हैं और उसका होने का जो खतरा है वो reduce कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Avoid smoking, maintain hygiene and build strong immunity with a balanced diet. You know what? मैं बहुत जल्द एक डाइट को लेकर वीडियो लाने वाली हूँ, so stay tuned for that. Now every woman who is watching this video want to keep the cervical area healthy. Please note down these points and please practice it daily. Maintain genital hygiene and wear clean, breathable cotton undergarments. Stay hydrated and eat foods rich in antioxidants. Avoid using harsh soaps or douches in intimate areas and never ignore discomfort or irregular bleeding. Your body always speaks. You just have to listen. To every woman who is watching this video, listen. सर्वाइकल कैंसर कोई डेथ सेंटेंस नहीं है. It is just a call to awareness, to care, and to show a courage upon. Talk openly, get vaccinated, and please take care of your hygiene. Because awareness saves lives, and silence destroys them. Thank you so much for watching this video till end, and please don't forget to share this video with your female friends. Kya pata, you might can save anyone's life in some way. Okay, bye.